Okay, so I'm recording now.
You're going to record the failure, the initial?
Yeah. Okay. Too much weight? Does it need to go over some? It might be caught on the first track. It's slowing down.
Yeah, it's not even on.
That's something.
There's sound?
It's slowing down. Want to crank it some more? Maybe it needs to go over. Maybe the sound, maybe this one's just a bad cylinder.
It's definitely a possibility. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's working. It's a bad cylinder.
It's a bad cylinder, but proof of concept. This is history playing.
That is. Holy cow. This is like horror movie level warped music. Trying to jump, I don't want it to fall.